So, I've been digging into the Titanic, and honestly, I went deep. Passenger lists, the old telegrams from that night, the ship's blueprints, the memories of the people who survived. And you know what? It turned out it's not really about the ship. It's about the people. Let's go back to that night, together.
My great-great-grandmother died on the Titanic, third class, cabin G73. Her name was Mary O'Brien. I grew up on this story. Everyone has seen this photograph. It's in every book about the Titanic, but nobody ever noticed this man.
See him? Third row. He has no uniform. We know the names of all 885 crew members. This man is not one of them.
And today I'm going to find out what really happened that night. Let's go.
Okay, this is real. I've watched the Cameron movie like 50 times, seen every photograph, but standing at the foot of it, it's smaller than I expected and huger at the same time. I need 3 things. First, find my great-great-grandmother. Second, get into first class where Captain Smith dines. And third, figure out who this man from the photograph is. I have 22 hours.
I have third class, cabin G73, exactly the same one Mary had. I have 22 hours until impact with the iceberg, until this ship goes to the bottom. Let's go.
G73, this is me. And honestly, not bad. Clean sheets. Actual clean sheets, running water. I have stayed in worse Airbnbs. The bed's firm, and my height, it's a problem. Like genuinely, who was this designed for? Wait, I just said my great-great-grandmother lived in G73. This is her cabin. I am in her cabin right now. Right now, she's somewhere on this ship, alive, breathing, not knowing what's coming. Excuse me, do you know Mary O'Brien? Irish, red hair, going to Brooklyn? Thank you. Dining hall.
Brooklyn, my fiancé. He's getting me a job at the docks. We'll save money, get our own place, fresh start.
That's beautiful. I'm sure everything will work out.
That's my grandmother. And in 20 hours, she's gone. And I can't do anything.
It was strange today. Some gentleman from first class came down here this morning, asking about cabins. Never seen anything like it. Tall, dark suit. How would you know? I'll come back. Just, Mary, take care of yourself tonight, okay?
I just saw eyes in the reflection. It was him, the man from the photograph. Mary saw him this morning too. He's on this ship right now.
This wasn't here 5 minutes ago. Someone wants me to go to first class, and I know who. Okay, message received. I'm going.
Okay, evening outfit check, first class, 1912 when edition. 40 pounds of fabric. I literally cannot run in this. Let's go. There's a gate on E deck. Third class is separated from the upper levels. There's usually a steward, but once an evening he disappears for 30 minutes. I have 30 minutes. Walk. Look like I belong. Don't run. Oh my god, this is on a ship? This is on a moving ship in the middle of the ocean? I was just sleeping on a bunk the size of a desk, eating rice soup, and this exists on the same vessel? This is Madame Dubois from Paris. She has been telling me about her summer in Monaco for the last 20 minutes. I literally cannot follow it. The food keeps coming though. 11 courses. 11? Nobody here is even slightly surprised.
It's him. I saw his eyes. He's on the upper landing. I'm going.
If this man is up to something, it will involve navigation. 6 iceberg warnings today. 6. And the ship didn't slow down. I need to get to the captain's cabin.
I'm done.
Entry 1435. First class passenger visited the bridge. Name erased.
Original went south, straight into where the icebergs are.
This wasn't an accident. It was never an accident. Someone did this on purpose. And I know who.
I could chase him. I could scream at the captain. It won't change anything. The iceberg comes in 30 minutes, and there's nothing I can do. But I can be with her. I can be with my grandmother in her final hours. And that's something. We're already leaving the dock. Let's go to the stern now. In the next video, I'll show you the promenade deck. What was...
It happened. It happened. It really happened. Mary. I need to get to Mary, now. This thing weighs 40 pounds. I can't really run in it. But Mary can't get out alone. Third class is locked. I could go after him. I could learn everything. Or I could save Mary. I'm sorry. I choose her. Mary, come with me now! Oh, it's okay. Oh. I know this sounds crazy. Just trust me. We're going up to the deck. great-great-granddaughter. Tell my grandfather I love him. Just live. Goodbye, Grandma. He got away. The bastard! He got away! But I'll find him. Next time, I won't let him escape. I'm back. I just put her in the lifeboat, and he escaped. But Mary lived.
He was on every single one. Every photograph of the Titanic. He's there. He was always there.
My grandma gave me our family archive, wedding photos of my great-great-grandparents, Mary and her husband Sean. I need to check something. It's them. 10 years after the wreck.
He was at my great-great-grandparents' wedding. 10 years after the Titanic. He was watching them. He preserved them so I'd be born, so I'd come.
If he saved my great-great-grandmother so I'd be born so I'd come after him, how many other people did he preserve? And why? Next stop, Pompeii, 79 CD. And now I'm not looking for a killer. I'm looking for the one who created me.